let's start. First combination plie, 1 demi-plie en relevé, 1 demi-plie relevé, 1 grand plie, and take a balance in first position on relevé. Then second position, the same demi-relevé, once again demi-relevé, 1 grand plie, and pour the bras to the barre, demi-rond back. Very easy, the same demi-plie relevé, 1 grand plie, and round front. Same fourth position, demi-relevé, 1 grand plie, and into fifth position. The same very easy combination in fifth position, demi-relevé, grand plie, and full porte de bras on relevé. And then take a balance. And next, battement tendu, we'll start with 2 battement tendu front, 1 and 2. Then front into transfer, 2 to the back, transfer and close into fifth, 2 to the side, 1 demi-plie into second position, close into fifth, open to the back, 3 demi-plie round, 3 demi-plie and fast passe parterre to the back, close, and we start from the beginning backwards. Then sit on your hip, turn out from the hip. Each time brush your working leg along the floor. Good, so let's start. Good. And now battement jeté. We do twice battement jeté front, 2 retiré coup de pied. 2 battement tendu back, 2 retiré coup de pied. 2 to the side, plié pas de barre into fifth position, and from fifth position 1 pirouette or double. Same way backwards. 2 to the side, plié pas de barre, and 1 or double pirouette underdone.